Hey guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at the Walt Disney World Resort Car Care Center. Now let's be honest. You're on vacation, you're having a great time, and you drove here, and your car has trouble. You're in a town you don't know, you're on vacation, you want something simple way to get it resolved. Well, Walt Disney has his own garage. Yes. Florida Parks After Dark just dropped their car off to get work done, so we're endorsing them right now. But what's great about this car care center, which is right here, is it is literally right outside Magic Kingdom's parking lot. So it's a big garage, a lot of bays. Obviously they can handle a lot of different cars. What is also connected is the Disney. They do a lot of the Disney vans and other vehicles for Disney as well. So this obviously is top notch. But it is right outside City Transportation. There is a Speedway gas station, which is right there, and it's right behind that. Now, what's really kind of nice about it is you're really in a whole lot of trouble. What's attached to the service station is an Alamo Enterprise and National Car Rental. So let's say you came here on vacation, and here's a very cool Tron van for the car rentals. Let's say you came on vacation and you had some problems with the car and you need a car because it's going to be in the shop for a little bit and you want to be able to drive around to the parks. Well, rent one, and that's here. So you have 3 rental agencies and a car care center all here. There's a gas station right there, and that, my friends, is World Drive. So this is George Florida Parks After Dark. I will tell you personally, we are excited that we're here. We're excited that we have this opportunity to get into this garage because we know they're gonna do quality work. We've only heard good things, and we are gonna see because we are dropping our car off. So, oh, one last thing. They have a shuttle. Now that shuttle only goes locally on property, not too far out, but they will shuttle you as well. So, we'll give you guys a follow-up video and tell you what we think about it, but right now we are impressed. So this is George Florida Parks After Dark. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It costs you nothing, means everything to us. And we're just trying to continue to show you how to make your vacation here at Disney as best as possible. You guys take care, have a fantastic day.